Hi guys, welcome to Get On My Glitter. If you haven't subscribed me yet, then go and hit the bell icon now. And quickly, I'm going to show the 3 looks that we're going to do today. So these are the 3 looks we're going to create from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. You've heard it right. So the Desert Dusk palette is for 5,375 rupees. You can get it from Nykaa. I'll put the link in the description box below. We are going to create 3 different looks from 3 different lines of the palette. So line 1 will be first look, line 2 will be another look, and line 3 will be our last look. Let's just quickly now dive into the looks. The first product that I'm using is Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eyebrows, and moving ahead, I will be taking the Benefit Highbrow. This is so that you can highlight. Okay, so I'm taking this brush to kind of merge the brow highlighter. So guys, next I'm using the Benefit Bowing Airbrush Concealer. I'm gonna use this concealer all over the eyelid. Now I'm taking the MAC loose powder. You can take any loose powder you want just to set the concealer. This really helps, not smudge your eyeshadow. So first of all, I'm taking the shade Eden from the palette. So after Eden, I'm going to dive into the shade called Amber. Now the next shade that I'm taking is Ode, O-U-D, from the first line. So I'll take it in like a flat brush, not very puffy brush. Merging Blood Moon on my finger. This is how much it is pigmented, guys. In the middle. Now let me just do the same thing here. Just taking Oud in the flat brush, kind of mixing it with Blood Moon, so it gives like a defined look. So if you really want to kind of enhance this more, then you can add in glitter, you can add in Cosmo from here. But because we're doing line to line, so I'm not going to use any other line. I'm just using the first line here. I'm gonna take some of Amber and it under here. You can take any eye pencil. This is the Maybelline Crayon Kohl 100 that I've taken. And just kind of, create like a line. So I have taken the Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Liner. Just line it from the inside and don't do it on the outside. Just leave it on the outside. Into Duo and just put it on your liner. Lights, Camera, Lashes, Mascara. You can actually see the difference between with mascara and without. As you can see, I'm done with my eye makeup. I'm gonna apply a really good lip gloss. NYX Tiramisu Butter Gloss. With this, I'm gonna gloss it up with some Huda Beauty Lip Stroke. So guys, my look is finally complete, and you can now see that with filter and without filter, both ways how it looks, and also the lip gloss is adding in an amazing effect to the face. So here goes look number 2. I'm going to use the second line of the palette with the color Amethyst here. I have to kind of dig into it to get it on the brush. So I'm just taking a normal brush, I'm not using any eyeshadow in this, just to blend more of the color Amethyst. So now just keep merging it with the crease line. As you can see, the rule here is just keep blend, blend, blend. Color is developing really good, but a hell lot more time than what I expected. Dive into a bit of Royal. So Royal, I'm gonna take here. Yes. So after Royal, I'm gonna take the color Twilight. Huda Beauty suggests all the glitter work best with fingers. Now I'm gonna take it from the inside corner till the middle.
Now we're speaking.
I'm taking a bit of Amethyst again.
Amethyst on kind. Yes.
I'm gonna take some of Nefertiti, if that's what it is called, on my finger.
And just apply it
So
here.
guys, for my lip, I'm using the Sugar 05 Rose Dawson. So you can see these looks in different kind of lightings, yellow and white.
This is how you can create looks without liner and just with eyeshadows, you know, keep blending.
So our third look is going to be with the third last line. Let's see what we shall create. So I am diving into the color Blazing here. Now I'm taking another color which is Saffron.
So take it here. I'm not going down. I'm just.
Now I'm taking Blazing again and just blending it down with Saffron. What next? I am going in with Angelic. I'm gonna just pat Angelic the inside corner. Just a little touch of saffron, that is all we need. We've already blended it well. So just took Cosmo on my brush and I'm dabbing it in toward. Let me just try it with a finger. Taken Cosmo. Doesn't really have a color at all. So if you guys wanna apply it, you might as well apply it from a glue. Not very impressed of Cosmo, honestly. Now just to add in more, because I'm not really satisfied with Cosmo here, I'm gonna take Angelic. So on the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna use Cashmere. Little puffy brush. It is the Morphe M321. I'm gonna use my liner. So for the lips, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Spice Girl liquid lip. The link for buying it is going to be under the description box below, and also if you haven't subscribed me guys, then go ahead and hit the subscribe icon.
So guys, you can see how defined and sculpted the eyes look. The glitter kind of pops out from the brown and is balancing out the face and the eye with a bold, good nude shade of lip.
Also guys, if you love my channel and you like my video, please hit that like button. Honestly, that is the only motivation that I have. And please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon here, and I will see you on the next one. Love you.